Hey friends, let's make a very pretty dress today. I purchased this pattern, the Pansy Dress from Rosery Apparel, and I'm going to be doing the long version with the long sleeve version as well so that I can wear it all winter long. I purchased a fabric for this occasion. I usually work with thrifted bed sheets or tablecloth or stuff like this, but for this one I bought a brand new fabric, which is very exciting. So this is going to be this off-white with red hearts. I'm very excited to work with this. The only fear I have is that it's slightly see-through, and I did not plan for a lining, but we'll see. If I have any issue, I will maybe add a lining later on. We'll see. I already cut out all of the pattern pieces, so I have the back bodice, front bodice, 4 pockets, 2 sleeves, the 2 skirt panels. I already went through all of the instructions. There's a great tutorial video on the Rosery Apparel channel that I'm going to link below. Everything seems pretty straightforward. The only thing I'm going to be doing differently is I'm going to be doing French seams instead of overlocking because I don't have a serger. And that's about it. I think everything else I'm just going to be following the tutorial and the pattern instructions as they are. If I run into any kind of issue, I will make sure to let you know. Let's get to sewing. Okay, progress was made. I finished the darts. I struggled the first time around because I did not mark them properly. So I redid the markings and it went smoothly. I did the side ones and the bottom ones. And they are perfect. They just need to be pressed. And so I'm going to press those and then move on to the next part, which is the binding on the back piece. I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the back piece. It has a little opening and we have to put some bias tape on this. And so I made bias tape. So let's move on to that, pressing the darts and then moving on to the back bodice. Let's continue. Hi friends, it's the next day. I finished the top portion of the dress yesterday, so this is the front and the back. So I did all of the binding around the neck hole, and I'm very pleased with how it's going so far. So right now I'm going to be moving on to the sleeves and the bottom of the dress, like pockets, gathering, all of that good stuff, and attach. Basically, I'm probably going to finish it today. The weather is horrendous, and it's the perfect kind of day to just get in the zone and sew my heart out in the studio. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna see you when I have an update or when it's done. We'll see. Alright, this is where we are. The sleeves are attached and they're all nice and pretty, the gathering. I struggled a bit because of the French seams. If you haven't worked with French seams before, just know that they are kind of horrible to do with gathering. At least I don't enjoy it at all. It looks extremely pretty and neat, and it will be a long-lasting piece of clothing, but my God, gathering with French seams is really a work of love, a labor of love. But it's looking gorgeous. It's looking super pretty. So I'm very happy. I'm going to take a break and move on to the bottom part of the dress, and I'll catch up with you later. Hi again. I just got back from running a couple of errands and I'm getting ready to get back into sewing, but I picked up a little parcel from Vinted. If you're not in Europe, I think Vinted is only in Europe. It's basically a secondhand marketplace, the equivalent of Poshmark, I would say. So I got some secondhand fabric and let's open it together. I'm very excited about it. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm super happy. So it's a lovely forest green with kind of a bronzy and beige lines. I can't remember how to say this in English. In French, we say carreau. So I am super stoked about this fabric. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I have plans, but not 100% sure. Let me know in the comments. That would be lovely. What would you make out of this beautiful fabric? Dress, skirt, pair of pants. There's a lot of options. What would you make? And if you have any pattern recommendation, let me know. For now, I'm gonna make a little cup of coffee, probably a mochaccino or a cappuccino or mochaccino. I'm gonna make something warm to drink and get back into sewing. I need to gather courage to do some more gathering with French seams. It's gonna be worth it because that dress is gonna be super pretty, but gathering with French seams, not my favorite. So, cup of coffee first and then get back to work. All right, friends, as I planned, the gathering and the French seams are killing me. I finished one side of the dress. This is the back bodice. I'm quite happy. Okay, I'm not thrilled with the placement of the hearts, but I still have to practice more with my fabric print matching. Is that a thing? I'm not sure. Because like you're gonna see here, the hearts are cut out. Like it's not the prettiest it could be, but it's still very cute. I'm gonna do the rest probably off camera because I'm getting tired and I really want to finish it today. So filming will take up more time. And so I'm going to see you now for the reveal of the finished dress. I hope you're gonna like it. Okay, wrap up time. I am on the fence about it. I really like how it turned out. On the technical side, I think I did a lot of things right. My complaint is mainly the cut. I think I did it too big. I think I could have done at least one size down. However, if I would have done that, I think I would have had to put a zipper, which I don't know how to do yet. So I think I should have gone that way, but I felt insecure about trying out a zipper for this one. I don't know. I definitely did it too big, I think. The second part, I'm definitely going to shorten it. I think I'm going to make a shorter skirt because this shape does not work for me. I'm small. I am short, and therefore that kind of square skirt doesn't do me much favor. Overall, I think it went great. I really like the sleeves. It was a lot of fun and I love that kind of sleeve. No issue with the elastic. Oh, also one thing I'm definitely going to be working on in my next projects, the gathering with the French seams. It's not working. It usually messes up the gathers and ends up crushing them a little bit, almost as if they were pleated instead of gathering, which I don't like. I hope there are better techniques out there to do gathering without an overlocker. If you have any tips, I would so appreciate it. I know there is a technique to finish your inseams with like a bias tape. Maybe that would work for gathering. For gathers, I don't know. Just French seams and gathers don't work. I've done it multiple times now and I don't think it looks good, to be honest. It doesn't look bad, but it also doesn't look good. I really enjoy the pattern and the tutorial from Rosery Apparel. I highly recommend it. It's very clear, it's very beginner friendly, so definitely check that out. I might insert over here if I end up shortening the skirt. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this little sew along. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make more of that kind of video. I'd be more than happy to. I really enjoyed making it. So yeah, have a beautiful day and stay creative.